Once upon a time, in a shining kingdom, there lived a kind princess named Lila. She wore a sparkling golden crown, the most beautiful in all the land. But one morning, when Lila woke up, her crown was gone. She searched under her bed, in her wardrobe, and even in the garden, but it was nowhere to be found. Feeling sad, she walked through the village. She saw a little boy crying by a pond. Lila reached in, pulled out his toy boat, and the boy's tears turned into a smile.
We all know that kids and children's content has one of the biggest audiences on YouTube. In fact, the most viewed video in YouTube history is a kid's song, with billions of views. This shows the huge potential of creating a kids channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the complete process of creating a brand new kids channel step by step. I'll also show you how to generate thumbnails, SEO keywords, and finally how to optimize everything for YouTube. So make sure you stay until the very end because every step is important, and I'll share all the prompts and tools you need to do this successfully. Step 1. Creating a kids YouTube channel. The first thing we need is a unique name and a professional logo. Open ChatGPT and type, "Give me 15 unique names for a kids or children's channel." Make sure they are unique. Also, enable Think Longer so the AI generates better names. From the list, pick a name that you like. But before you finalize it, go to YouTube and search for that name. Click Filters and select Channel. If you find a channel with the exact same name and it's already big, skip it. If you only see a few small channels, you can safely use it. Once you've picked your name, copy it and paste it back into ChatGPT. Ask it, "Give me a detailed prompt to generate a professional logo for this channel." Copy that logo prompt and go to ImageFX or any AI image generator. Paste the prompt. Set the aspect ratio to square and hit generate. You'll get 4 logo options. Choose one, download it, and save it. Now go to YouTube, click Create Channel, enter your channel name, and hit Create. Click Customize Channel and upload your logo. Then go to Settings, select Channel, and under Country choose United States. This is important because the US has one of the highest RPM rates, meaning you'll earn more for the same number of views. Finally, we need to add SEO keywords. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it, "Give me SEO optimized tags for my kids or children's channel." Copy and paste those tags into your channel's keyword settings. That's it. Your channel is ready. Step 2. Creating a children's story video. Now let's make our first video, a kid's story video. Open ChatGPT and ask, "Give me 15 unique ideas for children's story videos." Pick one story idea that you like and ask ChatGPT, "Give me the full story in narration style." For best results, I recommend longer stories since longer videos can increase your revenue. Once you're happy with the story, ask ChatGPT again, "Give me the complete character appearance of the main characters." This step is optional, but it helps with the next prompts for generating visuals. Now, paste the visual prompts template I'll give you in the description. This will generate prompts for creating AI images of your story scenes. Enable Think Longer for detailed prompts, and you'll get all prompts to generate images. Step 3. Generating AI images. For image generation, we'll use Google's Gemini Nano Banana model. Open Gemini, paste the prompts one by one, and generate the images. Download all the images and save them in order. Step 4. Converting images into videos. Static images look boring. We need animations to bring them to life. First, go back to ChatGPT and paste the animation prompts template. ChatGPT will generate custom animation prompts for each image. For video generation, you can use any tool like Kling AI, Luma AI, Hailuo AI, or Runway ML. I am using Google's VO2. So open Google Flow and create a new project. Switch to Frames to Video. Select the model VO2 Fast. Upload your first image. Paste its animation prompt and hit Generate. The video will be ready in a few minutes. You can download it in original 720p or upscaled 1080p. Here's the comparison between them. Personally, I prefer 720p because it keeps the natural animation quality. Repeat this process for all your images until your full set of video clips is ready. Step 5. generating voiceover. For narration, we'll use 11 Labs, one of the best AI voice generators. Open 11 Labs and go to the Voices section. Use the filters to narrow down your search. First, select the language of your story. Next, pick the accent you prefer. Finally, under Style, enable Narrative and Story. This will give you voices that sound natural, expressive, and perfect for storytelling. Browse through the available voices. Listen to a few samples, and choose the one that feels the most engaging for children. Once you've found it, add that voice to your personal library. Now it's time to generate the narration. Go back to ChatGPT and copy your entire story script. Make sure the formatting is clean and ready to read aloud. Paste the full script into 11 Labs. 11 Labs will create a professional quality narration of your story in just a few moments. Click Download to save the audio file. And that's it. We now have a professional sounding voiceover for our story. Step 6. Background music. Every kid's story needs playful, magical background music. Go back to ChatGPT and ask, "Give me a prompt for Suno AI to generate background music for this complete story." If the prompt is too long, ask ChatGPT to shorten it. Open Suno AI, go to Create, switch to Custom, and enable Instrumental. Paste the prompt, generate music, and download one of the tracks. Step 7. Editing the video. Now that we have all the video clips, narration, and background music, it's time to combine everything. Open CapCut or any video editor of your choice. Import all the video clips, the voiceover audio, and the background music. Click on the Sort option and select Time Created so everything stays in the right order. Drag the video clips onto the timeline and arrange them in sequence. Align each video clip carefully with the narration so that the visuals match the story. Once that's done, add the background music. Adjust the music so it plays smoothly with the narration and reduce the volume so the story voice is always clear and easy to understand. Finally, generate captions inside CapCut. Captions make the video more engaging, especially for children, since many kids like to read along while watching. Choose a bright, playful caption template that matches the style of your story.
Once upon a time, in a shining kingdom, there lived a kind princess named Lila. She wore a sparkling golden crown, the most beautiful in all the land. But one morning, when Lila woke up, her crown was gone. She searched under her bed, in her wardrobe, and even in the garden, but it was nowhere to be found. Feeling sad, she walked through the village. She saw a little boy crying by a pond. Lila reached in, pulled out his toy boat, and the boy's tears turned into a smile. Later, Lila helped an old woman carry her heavy basket of apples. The woman thanked her warmly, and villagers began to notice Lila's kindness. Then, she gathered children under a tree and read them stories. Their laughter and joy filled the air, and everyone clapped for the princess. That evening, Lila returned to her room. To her surprise, her golden crown was on her pillow. A little bird had taken it, thinking it was just a shiny toy. Lila smiled and said, "A crown doesn't make me a princess. My kindness does." From that day on, the kingdom sparkled with happiness ever after.
Step 8. Creating the thumbnail. A good thumbnail is one of the most important parts of your video. To create one, go back to ChatGPT and type, "Give me a very detailed prompt to generate a thumbnail for this story video." Enable Think Longer to get the best prompt. Copy the prompt, then go to Google's Gemini and paste it. The AI will generate a high-quality thumbnail image. But here's the problem. Gemini usually saves thumbnails in PNG format, and the size is often larger than 2 megabytes. YouTube only allows thumbnails under 2 megabytes. To fix this, convert the PNG file into JPG format. You can do this with any free converter website, or simply right-click on the file, open it in Paint, and choose Save as JPEG Picture. This will reduce the size while keeping the quality sharp. Now your thumbnail is ready. Step 9. YouTube SEO Setup. Before uploading your video, we need to prepare SEO-optimized details. Go to ChatGPT and type, "Give me 5 titles for this story video." Write a SEO-optimized description with trendy keywords. Then SEO-optimized tags within 500 characters. Finally, add a couple of hashtags. Copy the 5 title suggestions and pick one that you like the most. In YouTube Studio, paste that title into your video settings. Next, copy the description and hashtags from ChatGPT and paste them into the description box. Then copy the tags and paste them into the YouTube tags section. These tags and keywords will help YouTube recommend your video to more viewers. And that's it. Your kid's story video is now complete and ready to go live on YouTube. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're interested in making kids' music videos, just like CoComelon and other popular channels, make sure to watch my next video where I'll show you the complete process step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.